Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. I am so excited to have you here today because we are diving into something fun and creative. Crochet flower pattern. Whether you are just starting out or have been stitching for a while, don't worry. Crochet flower easy to learn and a great way to create beautiful design with just a needle and thread. Today we are exploring some of the latest and the most popular crochet flower easy pattern. These designs are trending right now and are perfect for any skill level. Whether you are new to stitching or experienced, there's something here for you to try. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumb up if you love crochet flower easy design as much as I do. Subscribing helps the channel grow and ensure you won't miss any future tutorial. Let's jump in. First, we have a classic pattern that never goes out of style. It is simple yet elegant, making it perfect for beginners. The bright and happy colors make it great for spring or summer project. You can even frame it to brighten up your home. Feel free to experiment with colors to make it truly your own. Next, we have a pattern that's quick and fun. It is perfect for if you are short on time but want to create something beautiful. This design is great for beginners and will give you a sense of accomplishment without a long term commitment. It is also ideal for experienced stitches and stitchers look for a relaxing project. If you love bold colors, you will love this pattern. It's all about vibrant and cheerful hues that will make your project stand out. Whether you want to brighten up a room or give a lively gift, this design is a great choice. Even beginners will enjoy stitching this eye-catching pattern. This pattern is perfect for those new to stitching. It is simple to follow and looks great when finished. The clean line and easy design look very beautiful. It features leaf and flowers. The clean lines and easy stitches make it a fantastic first project. Experienced stitchers will also enjoy this straightforward and relaxing designs. This pattern is ideal. It is a wonderful project for bringing a bit of the outdoor into your home. You can use elastic color to get creative with brighter hues. This design is perfect for adding a touch of nature to your decoration. These patterns are very trendy right now and the design is a great example. It features skin line and bold shapes perfect for modern decor. Whether you choose a simple color scheme or something vibrant, this pattern will make a stylish statement. It is also satisfying to stitch with its structured shape. This pattern features cute and beautiful little flowers. It's great for anyone. If you enjoy quickly and playful design, you will love this pattern. It is full of fun details and allow for lots of creativity. Whether you use bright or soft color, this design will bring a smile to your face and is perfect for light-hearted project. Sometimes less is more, and this pattern shows you that perfectly. It's a minimalist design with clean lines and a sophisticated look. It's simple enough for beginners but still look polished and elegant. This design will fit any decor style. Celebrate the different seasons with this fun pattern. Whether it's spring, fall or a holiday, you can change the color to match the season. It's a great way to add a festive touch to your home decor. This pattern brings a touch of magic to your stitching with fantasy elements. It's perfect for those who love whimsical designs. You can use your imagination to play with colors and details. For fans of modern art, this pattern is perfect. It features bold shapes and color, allowing you to get creative with your stitching. It can include many beautiful flowers with bold colors. This design is great for making a unique piece that add a modern flair to your home. Add a touch of nostalgia with this vintage floral pattern. It features retro inspired flowers and look charming and timeless. It look very beautiful. You can choose traditional or bright colors to make your style. This pattern is great for elegant home decor or special gift. Get into the holiday spirit with this festive pattern, whether it's for Christmas, Halloween, or another holiday. This design adds a cheerful touch to your decor. It's simple enough to complete in time for a holiday, but still looks special and full of holiday cheer. Dive into many beautiful floral pattern designs. Celebrating traditional folk art with this pattern featuring vibrant color and classic motif, it is perfect for creating unique decor or gifts with a touch of cultural heritage. Choose traditional colors or mix them up for a modern look. This design adds a bit of cultural flair to your stitching. We have a classic pattern that never goes out of style. You can even frame it to brighten up your home. Feel free to try different colors to make it uniquely yours. Here's a pattern that quick and fun. It's ideal if you're short on time but want to create something beautiful. This design is great for beginners and will give you a sense of accomplishment without taking too long. It's perfect for experienced teachers looking for a relaxing project. If you love bright colors, you will enjoy this pattern. Features bold and cheerful colors that will make your project stand out. Whether you want to brighten up a room or give a vibrant gift, this design is a great choice. Even beginners will find this pattern fun to stitch. This pattern is great for beginners. It is simple and look wonderful when finished. The easy stitches and clean line make it perfect first project. Experienced stitches will also enjoy this easy and relaxing design. For nature lovers, this pattern is perfect because it can include roses and different flowers. It features leaves and flowers, making it a lovely project for adding a touch of nature to your home. You can use natural colors or get creative with bright hues. This design is a great way to bring some nature into your stitching. Geometric patterns are trendy, and this design is a great example. It has clean lines and bold shape. Make it perfect for modern decor. Whether you choose simple or vibrant colors, these patterns will make a stylish statement. It's also fun to stitch with its structured shape. This pattern features adorable flowers design. If you like quickly and fun designs, you will love this pattern. It is full of playful details. It's a minimalist with clean lines and sophisticated look. Sometimes less is more. The design that shown on your screen, it fits well in any decor style. This pattern is bring a bit of magic to your stitches. For fans of modern art, this design include in simple and modern design as well. So this is for today's video. One tip that I will give you in this video, that always start with a simple design, then move to complex design. The crochet flower is easy pattern. You can create your own cross stitch project. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. See you soon in the next video with many beautiful and unique design and ideas. Allah Hafiz.